This method can significantly speed up the zebrafish embryo arraying procedure and make zebrafish truly amenable for high-throughput screening. The main advantage of this technique is the use of a 3D printed template to pre-array zebrafish embryos into a 96 or 384 well matrix, which facilitates a highly efficient plate preparation process.
We first had the idea for the method of performing toxicity screening of nanoparticles by manually picking and slipping individual embryos into each well of a multi-well plate and wanted to increase efficiency.
In addition to Tianyu, fellow graduate students Jiang will be demonstrating the procedure.
Begin this procedure with design of the arraying template with a 12 by 8 96 well layout that fits a standard 96 well plate, as detailed in the text protocol. Use a 3D printer with a 0.1 mm precision to print the template. Some key components of the template are the entrapment chamber, the entrapment well, the vacuum chamber, and the air-in outlet. To perform the zebrafish embryo spawning, first separate males and females by a clear plastic divider. Then, place 2 pairs of male and female fish per mating box 1 day prior to spawning. On the day of spawning, take off the dividers in the morning to mix male and female fish. Remove the male and female fish and collect zebrafish embryos using a fine mesh strainer. Wash the embryos with 250 milliliters of egg water. Transfer the collected embryos to Petri dishes with Holt-Fretter solution. Remove the dead and unfertilized embryos using a